rise to that challenge.
Yes, and ang lamang naman siya ito sa mga Websters is his experience. Naglaro ka sa NBA, marami ka na pinagdaanan, katulad din ni Anthony Bennett na sumanawanan ng plays and then they kick out. It's like a similar dribble drive offense.
There's Abercrombie. Ito, hindi makakalimutan talaga ng mga Pinoy dahil aside from not expected to do things, ito si Abercrombie, isa sa mga pumatay din sa Gilas Pilipinas.
Yes, ganda nung naalala ko yung social part. In fact, nung nanonood nga kami dito sa Mawarinan, naiinis na nga ako kasi pumahabol na tayo tapos biglang hindi natin ma-overcome.
Pamatay sunog yung mga tira rin.
They always have someone who will solve those problems for them.
Scrub picked it up. Corey Joseph. Marami bang oras sa shot clock. He got knocked down looking for a foul. But he makes the shot anyway. Nagreklamo sa referee. Tristan Thompson, not a threat from out there.
The defense, Charlie, yung denial, tapos yung habol talaga. Nako, nalibre.
Yeah, but that's a miss. Anthony Bennett, offensive rebound. Heslip three. He can't get it to go. One more time for Bennett. Unable to control it. It goes to Tristan Thompson. He'll try to muscle his way. And he gets the hoop.
That's really upper body strength.
Of the possession, 13 seconds to shoot.
Maswerte Canada ito, hindi nag-turnover to si Tristan Thompson kasi makikita mo, hindi maganda yung ginawa niya.
Melvin and Jim, stop start. Diretso sa basket.
Right on cue, we were just sixth man.
Yung mawak nga dun sa play rin, yung tatlong pinag-uusapan natin eh. Yung una si Thompson, napunta kay Ines, tapos napunta kay Jim, yung tatlong nag-chip niya sa laro ng Canada.
Pagdating naman kasi sa national team, makikita, what a move there.
Pretty move, this
Si
going.
Bocoro again.
Wow! Leading talaga by example ito over here in the first half. 5-point lead ng Canada, pwede pang dagdagan yan. And Jim on the move. Nagmintis and Abercrombie gets the rebound. Ty Webster sees Corey Webster on the run. Corey attacks, gets another hoop inside.
He's not as a great shooter of these world-class players. It definitely will up, the level of basketball here. Not only for our own US Filipinos,
He did the work. Versus France,
Number five.
Oh. Very good, Corey Webster. Very good. Ang ganda ng New Zealand na yan. And Corey Webster and Ty Webster have a knack of hitting baskets before a quarter ends. Let's see if they can do it again.
Look at this.
There's Ty. Takes it with a second to go. Ayun naman! Ayan na naman! Against regarding the New Zealand team.
Yes, unfortunately for the Tall Blacks, Isaac Fotu strained his left Achilles and won't be back in the game anymore, Charlie.
Okay, the start of the quarter brought to us by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband, and that is horrible news for Coach Paul Henare and the Tall Blacks.
Talaga sa ilalim. So you really can expect na a lot of Bocona will really play more. And the Websters will just have to overexert.
Should be very pleased sa play na ito. Boom! Akala ni Rob Lowe, 6-footer, 6'11 yan. The ball stays nga dito sa Tall Blacks. They have another opportunity. Try to get something going. Close the gap, maybe tie it up. But Abercrombie, it's a two-pointer. He's got that jump shot. And he misses this one as well. So he's 50% from there. But offensive rebound, naging three-point play in reverse. A good shot.
Well, ginamit si Joel Anthony in the Senegal game because there's a lot of tall players from Senegal na nagka-problema sila na rebounding.
Finally, nakatref ito si Rob Lam.
Well, if that's the guide hand or the left hand, kaya pa niyang tumira from using his right hand. Ang problema kasi nun, it's control.
Cam Birch cleaning it up off the mid. Brings it right back. He will drive.
Grabe yung lateral movement ng Ilio.
What a finish mula kay Corey Joseph. Nakita niya. Waiting for one of the guards to come. Yun na nga si Corey Webster. The Corey is going at it right now. Webster takes the shot. Pasok na naman!
Really amazing.
He's able to meet a lot of our countrymen and a lot of the New Zealanders who were present as well. And he's enjoying the action. He has to be happy with the way his team is. 7-point lead. Pinakamalaki yan para sa Canada. 3 on the way. Mabagal sa apat. Corey Webster.
Makikita mo naman that hindi naman basta-basta na lumalaki yung lamang dito ng Canada because they have been, itong New Zealand napakasipag din kumuha yan. Nakakuha na naman ng another offensive rebound.
Bocona throws it to the other side. Bartlett saves it. Nakuha ni Abercrombie.
Whoa!
Yun yung sabi mo, leaping ability. Pinakita niya ron. Thought he was gonna slam
Able
it.
to mix it up against guys like Thompson and Bennett. Pero kita mo, palagito mo siya si Abercrombie, palag siya sa ilalim. Great move
Here
there.
in FIBA OQT. Bukona with the ball. Goes to Corey Webster. Baseline. Leaves it out for Abercrombie. That's another three mula kay Thomas. We know we can do that. That's brought New Zealand trailing by 3. Nasa kanila ang bola. Under 8 minutes remaining in the game. Corey Webster, easy layup. Walang stopper dun sa dulo.
Pero actually, I was expecting masusupalpal siya ni Thompson. Pero yung change of pace at yung biglang explosion, yung quick first step, nawawala miski si Thompson sa kanya.
So maganda rin yung lipat ng bola. Tay, baseline, easy layup para sa kanya. Naikutan niya si Corey Joseph.
Yun ang very good read. Charlie, kita mo yung mga pag ganyan-ganyan lang. Oh, they have a lot of those players na yan. Oh, what a nice pass.
Medyo natulog ang depensa ng Canada sa play na yun. Sucking round. Siyempre, grabe yung stakes sa larong ito. Jim, pasok ang tira in the lane and a chance for the 3-point play. And look at
Tristan Thompson doon. Experience yung pumapasok dun, Charlie.
siyam na rebound na para kay Tristan Thompson. Corey Joseph wanted to lob it for Thompson.
Another rebound.
Bumaba muna. Napaganda ba, partner? Hindi na ba?
Both of them have been very successful in making it to the NBA.
Rob Lowe, 3.
Oh, that's big, Charlie.
Wow, what a time. Nakapasok ng pangalawang tres si Rob Lowe. 69 all.
That's basically the role of Isaac Foto, and he is stepping up big time itong si Lowe.
You're right. Jim, double team Cape. Ano yun? Na-anticipate. Ito si Bartlett but wasn't able to pick it up. Scrub hits one in the lane.
Kailangan na talaga.
Joseph, but it's Bartlett that he picks up.
Yes.
Good switch on the defense.
Smart.
Si Bartlett
Yes.
hindi
Hindi masyadong maatake.
Healy, iniwan for Abercrombie. Ayan naman yung taktak sa loob ng play. Tyler Ennis. Rather, Corey Joseph with the ball. Hesitation. Drives the lane. Left layup doesn't go. Offensive rebound. And Jim! Basket na! Basket na mga free throw! Very frustrated ang kanyang itsura dahil hindi siya nakalaro mula ng first quarter. Almost a steal. Scrub goes over to Heslip. And looks like
Wala na.
Henare sumenyaf na kay Abercrombie. Leave it to be. And there you have it. And New Zealand, after 3 amazing games that they played, have fallen short dito sa FIBA OQT. No reason to hang their heads, Eric.
Oo
New
naman,
Zealand.
grabe yung pinakita ng New Zealand.